In this video you will learn what is Google Takeout and how to use it. Let's get started. Google Takeout is a service provided by Google which provides Google account users a handy way to download their data stored in different Google apps. It is the simplest way to move or copy your stuff from Google's digital territory into your own. Now let's see how to use it. Sign in with your Google account and go to takeout.google.com. After the Takeout app page is loaded on your web browser, you will see that it offers you to export your data stored in the all Google apps you use. For me, it is showing an option to export data from 51 different Google apps which I use. Let's see what are these apps and what kind of data is available for export. You can see there is an option to export data from Gmail, Contacts, Hangout, Maps, Activity Log, Home Workspace, Blogspot, Drive and every single Google app. Some apps provide data export in multiple formats, so you can choose which format you want. The amount of data may be huge depending upon the age of your account and number of apps you use. Before proceeding to the next step where we need to select the delivery method, frequency, file type and export destination, let us reduce the size of export by deselecting all apps. For this demo we will select such an app where data stored is not very huge. Let's select the Contacts app. It will not take a huge time and space so that we can complete this demo in a short time. Let's scroll down and click the Next Step button. After clicking the Next Step button we get the options to customize our exports. Here we can customize the delivery method. We can export data directly to cloud storage like Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive and Box, or simply we can get a download link for local storage. We can set export frequency here. We can automate the export process by setting the frequency to export every 2 months for 1 year. In file type zip and TGZ archives are supported. If export data size is huge, you can download it in multiple files by setting the maximum size of file here. Now we are ready to export. Click Create Export to start exporting. Export progress can be seen here. You can cancel the export and create another export. We can just sit back and relax while Google Takeout export our selected data. Sometimes it can take hours and days to export a huge amount of data. In such scenario, if you wish, you can switch off your machine as entire processing is done on Google servers. And whenever your download is ready, you will be notified via email, or you can check the takeout.google.com again and download your archive. You can see that our archive is ready to download now. Its content, date of creation, last date of availability is mentioned here. Click Download button to download the file. You may be asked to enter your Google credentials to start the download. The archive is downloading. You can unzip it to view your data after download is finished. We can also download the archive from email link sent by Google Takeout.